Welcome to University Lectures Tube channel. Learn today. Tuli Tamaro. For best knowledge, follow this channel. Subscribe. Like. Share. Comment.
And follow it.
Good afternoon. It's British versus American English. British English, we say football. American English, soccer. British English is a flat. American English, apartment. Can I hear your voices louder? Lorry, British English, American English, truck. British English, a biscuit. The U is silent, right? Biscuit. American English, cookie. American English is talk of crisps. You know crisps? American English, what do we say? Chips, actually. British English, we talk of chips. American English, French fries. British English is a holiday, right? American English, yeah, vacation. British English, we talk of rubbish, right? American English, garbage. I'll check whether trash is American or British, right? British English, we talk of petrol, right? For cars, that one that powers cars, right? American English, gasoline, right? Gasoline. British English, we talk of sweets. American English, candy. American English, okay, British English, we talk of a film, right? American English, movie, right? British English, we talk of trainers. Let's see what our viewers will say. What is the American equivalent of trainers? They should share their views on in the comment section and we'll appreciate. Sindio? The odd one out. Let's see which one is different, right? How do we say this? Vain, right? How do we say this? Vain again, right? How do we say this? Van. So the odd one out is this, right? Very different from the others in terms of the underlined sound. How do we say the first one? Sugar, right? The second one, we say show. The third one is a normal S. So sugar, show, sun. So which one is different? Sun is different. Now look at this. We say hair. That a rabbit-like creature. We say air. The H is silent. The one who inherits from a king, right? The one who takes over. And then how do we say this? What you can see on my head is the hair. So the one that is different is this because it has a silent H, right? Let's come here. We have dough, right? That is what is realized after mixing wheat flour and water when you want to prepare chapati mandazi, right? So it's called dough. How do we say this? Enough. Enough means sufficient. And how do we say this? Dough. So dough, enough, dough. So which one is different? Enough, because there is an F sound here. This is silent, this is silent. So enough is the odd one out. How about this? How do we say the first one? We say theater. Say theater is a voiceless sound. How do we say this? Again, voiceless. Say theme. Theater theme. Do we say then? We say then. It's voiced. So the different one, the odd one out is then because the TH is a voiced sound. We say the. Can you see this? Let's see this. Say theater, theme, but then. You can see it moving, eh? Then. Can you say then? So it's different. Let's look at this. How do we read the first one? Choice, right? The second one? Say chord. It's a K. This is a voiceless. We have a choice, cord, and chore. Some work you're given. So which one is different? So you say choice, chore, but cord. So this is the odd one out. Now let's look at the seventh set of words. How do we do the first one? Collins, you're talking too much. We say wept, right? Can I go home? When asking for permission, you don't use the word can. Instead, we say may. May I go home, not can I go home. Number two, I bought some beddings. The mistake is right here. We don't say beddings. The plural of bedding is bedding. So the S is not supposed to be there. Number three, I have furnitures at home. Furniture in plural, it remains furniture. So that is a mistake. So we say, I have furniture at home. She is the most prettiest girl. There's some form of repetition. If she's pretty among more than two girls, we say she is the most. You say she's the most pretty. Or we simply say she is the prettiest. We do away with most. So we say she is the prettiest girl. She's the prettiest girl, or she's the most pretty girl. Number five, I and my cousin won. We always begin with my cousin. We say my cousin and I won. My cousin and I, not I and my cousin. Her watch is best than mine. We are comparing two. So we can't say that her watch is best than mine. We say her watch is better than mine, comparing to comparative analysis. Number seven, Okuneche can be able to sing. There is some form of repetition. We simply say Okuneche can sing. Be able to means the same as can. So we avoid that repetition. Lastly, I could hear some noise. Where is the mistake? We say I can hear of ability to get the noise. So I could hear, not hear. Hear is about place. Now, in the comment section, give me at least two words that can be confusing in terms of meaning.